Hi guys, it's Anastasia. Welcome to my home studio in sunny Tenerife, the Canary Islands. I have a special episode today. I'm gonna show you how I make a perfect ceramic cup. I filmed this one when I was pregnant and it's such a cute one to watch back. I had no idea I'm gonna be a girl mom. What a ride! Anyway, enjoy the episode! We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is thick. All I'm asking now, don't give up So here you go, guys, my perfect cup from the late night cacao to postpartum tea. She always serves me well. If you like all things pottery and design, go ahead and subscribe to my free newsletter linked below. If you like this video, make sure to check out how I make my gorgeous ice cream balls by hand from start to finish. Okay, I'll see you soon. Ciao!